Alright, what's going on, YouTube? I got this bike from Jake the Garden Snake. And right now, we are gonna go on a first ride. I'm excited and a little bit scared at the same time. She's a beauty. So I'm looking forward to this. That full Yoshimura exhaust. As you can see, I'm tiptoeing this. This bike reminds me of how short I am. God, this is so weird. This is definitely weird. This is gonna take some getting used to, that's for sure. Yeah, that sounds good though. These mirrors actually aren't too bad. I like how they look. It's a little bit harder to find neutral in this than the Vulcan S. Oh God! Woo! Oh my God! Oh, the power! This is head and shoulders above my Vulcan S, that's for sure. Finding neutral on this thing sucks. But Jesus, that power is f***ing nice. At the expense of sounding like a puss. My wrists are already feeling it, this seating position. So the power acceleration's good, just on a different level than the Vulcan S in every way possible. The handling is good. Well, from what I can tell, I'm not used to counter steering and leading a sport bike yet. The engine braking on this thing is crazy good compared to the Vulcan S. Now, for the height situation for this bike, I don't want to lower it. That's one thing I don't want to do. I want the handling of the bike and the stance of the bike to be as factory as possible. The clutch is nice, I gotta say. Also, the throttle is not nearly as twitchy as I thought it would be. It's actually less twitchy than my Vulcan S. I can't remember on the top of my head right now if Jake modified the, or changed out the throttle or not. I don't think he did. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised that this throttle isn't as twitchy as I thought it would be. Or I expected it to be, at least. You know what? Let's go to Share T. Oh, okay, go. Okay, I gotta get used to this peg too. This or the side stand. All right, I'll be back, guys. Alright, that was a good little break. Nice little break. Had some tapioca. Ride this thing around for a little bit more and go back home. Yeah, my wrists definitely needed that break because damn, this thing. The throttle is sensitive, but it's not jerky. See, like, it's already giving gas. I'm barely holding it or barely touching it. Yeah. You know what? Let's go do a little bit of highway stuff. Why not? So yeah, I'm really digging this thing. It's just it's definitely gonna take my body to get used to it. The seating position, my lower back doesn't hurt yet. I guess thank you deadlifts for doing that for me. There's nothing really I can do about the height except lower the bike, which I don't want to do. And my wrists are just gonna have to get used to it. The thing is nice. The thing is sweet. Mode, trip, clock. Oh, timer. Oh, that's what the start and stop is for. Okay. No fuel gauge, which is kind of I'm not used to that, but there is a gas light, so that's something, I guess. Yep, just fall into place. Yeah, I don't even need to lean that much. Jesus, I gotta say, going 100 on this thing is effortless. On the Vulcan S, it's like asking a lot of the Vulcan S, but this, I didn't even realize it until I looked down. This thing is so stable at speed. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! I wasn't even at top gear yet! I was hitting 130, oh my god! I wasn't even redlining it, and I wasn't even in top gear at the end of that. But Jesus Christ! A lot of you leader bike guys are probably laughing at me right now, but you gotta put in consideration, like, this is my first sport bike, and I rode a cruiser this whole time. Oh my god, that was exhilarating. God, that's addicting. That is addicting right there. Luckily, I'm pretty good at self-control, so I don't really want to be doing that all the time, to be honest. As much as, you know, the little devil inside me wants to, like, say I should. Okay, so going from first to second, I gotta be very deliberate. There we go. I'm digging this bike. There are some quirks about it, but I think those are quirks from all, you know, sport bikes. But man, I love this thing. This thing is awesome. Plus, like, with all the mods done to it that Jake did, and also maintenance stuff or upgrades or whatever, those are all stuff I wanted to do anyways when I was gonna get a ZX6R. So this all worked out like perfectly. And this my throttle hand is starting to get a little sore. I don't know if it's because I'm gripping too hard, or maybe I'm leaning on that one too much. But anyways, yeah, I got some stuff to do, so I'm just gonna go home and take care of these errands and whatnot I gotta do. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to comment and share if you'd want to. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.